Okay, now we're gonna do the top corner. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna trim a little bit of the material. We're gonna lift it back up, so lift, we're gonna warm it up a little bit. And I try to kind of hook it behind. Lift this piece, heat, relax, lift in here, heat, relax. Take the air out. From the corner, go with the finger towards the center. Heat from the corner, going down. Now we're gonna need to heat, make sure the vinyl is relaxed, and then we can trim it. Okay, so we have the vinyl here, which we applied without using any heat. Now what we need to do is to use heat and relax it. What I will do, I will cut it exactly under so the blade doesn't touch the paint. Now we need to start with the corners. So it's this top corner, then this, and then this angle. We're gonna apply heat. Okay, now we need to relax this. Now we can pass the finger like this on the edge. So you start from the center going towards the right, center left, center right. And then once we finish the corners, then we go to the next angle, and from the center you push down and up. So we try to spread the tension out. Now we're gonna do this last section. So now we applied over the edge. Now we're gonna lift the vinyl a little bit and trim it slightly shorter. So now what I want is the vinyl to stay like this and stick. Now I use the heat gun on maximum. I just hold the vinyl with my fingers and I go with maximum heat. As you can see, I gave a lot of heat, so the vinyl now relaxed. Always when we are cutting like very close to the paint is very safer is to break the blade. Okay, so I'm gonna start.